How many of you have ever turned heads when you walked into a room, feeling like you own the damn place? That's the vibe you want your franchise to radiate in its market. Welcome back to ECMP Studios. I'm Amit Grover, and today we're sharpening our competitive edge in franchising. Because when your franchise stands out, it's not just participating, it's damn dominating. In the competitive world of franchising, standing out is like being the most captivating person at the party. It's not enough to just show up. You need to be memorable. Creating a competitive edge means implementing strategies that make your franchise not only visible, but also preferred by customers over others in the market. Now, why is having a competitive edge critical? Because in the dance of business, you want to lead, not be the follower. It's about making sure that when a customer has a choice, your franchise is the one they can't resist. This requires innovation, excellent service, and a consistent brand experience that delivers more than expected. Here's how you can craft a competitive edge. First off, unique selling proposition, commonly known as USP. Define what makes your franchise unique. Is it your product, your service, or perhaps your location? Like bearing a signature scent, your USP should make you unmistakable. Number 2, customer experience enhancement. Invest in training your staff to provide outstanding service. It's like ensuring every guest at your party feels both special and attended to. Number 3, marketing mastery. Utilize target marketing strategies to reach your ideal customers effectively. It's about sending the right invitations to the right people. These strategies not only draw customers in, but also build loyalty, turning first-time visitors into regulars. It's about creating not just a transaction, but a relationship that keeps the customers coming back. Up next, we're going to explore customer experience and accessibility. Think of it as making your franchise not just a place to be seen, but to be experienced and enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights. Do you have strategies that give your franchise a competitive edge? Share them in the comments below or connect with us at ECMP for a deeper discussion. And remember, as they say, you gotta be cool, you gotta be calm, you gotta stay together. All keys to not just surviving, but thriving in the competitive world of franchising. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real, stay